Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is Wednesday, December 27, 2023, and according to reports, it's confirmed that Mr. Gaston Glock passed away today at the age of 94, and according to reports also, the family did not give any details on the cause of death, but we'd like to honor the inventor of Glock for giving us a good firearm, according to their company, Glock Perfection. Anyway, if you're not a Glock fan, uh, let's appreciate the contribution of Mr. Gaston Glock in the firearm industry. It paved the way for polymer pistols today. By the way, all firearms were safety checked prior to filming. This is a Glock 19 copy. This is a Palmetto State Armory dagger. And this is my SD40VE. I bought this before buying the actual Glock. So they said that this is a Glock clone. And actually, Glock sued Smith& and Wesson and won. And I think part of the settlement is every time Smith& and Wesson sell this, a portion of the profit goes to Glock. Anyway, so these are my two Glocks. That's a Gen 3 Glock 22, and this is a Gen 4 Glock 17. And like I said, we should acknowledge the contribution of Glock when they introduced the polymer in making pistols. So I think what what makes Glock different from other pistols is that they call it safe action pistol. It has three safeties: the trigger safety, drop safety, and firing pin safety, so that they don't have to put an external safety. Okay, and to be honest with you, the reason I bought a Glock, or I bought these two Glocks, is because of their magazines. So I bought this first before buying my uh, real Glocks, and I'm happy with it. And my friend has the 9mm version, no problem. As you can see, I replaced the trigger, and look at the takedown, similar to a Glock. Anyway, so when I started using PCCs, or pistol caliber carbines, that got me interested in the pistols because it uses the same magazines. So I bought, I think, drum mags for my 9 and my 40. Actually, this is a Palmetto State Armory dagger that uses a Glock 17 magazine, ETS Glock 17 magazine. And I also built my first dagger with a dagger lower and complete uh, Glock 19 upper. So they are compatible. Anyway, like I said, this is just a short video recognizing the contribution of Glock in bringing us a what superior pistol, or good pistol, depending on who you ask. Reliable pistol. Let's just say reliable pistol, and I think it changed the firearm industry when they introduced the technology of polymer guns in the pistol world. And I heard that Glock is venturing to rifles. I don't know if that is true. Hopefully they do. And what else? I think that's it. Mr. Gaston Glock, at the age of 94, I think he lived a fruitful life, especially with all the money, because Glock is very popular, even in the Philippines. I'm surprised that the price of Glocks over there is more than twice the price here, and yet people are buying Glocks. Anyway, so with that, I'm gonna end this video. Thank you, Mr. Gaston Glock. And for those of you that are not a fan of Glock, at least you can appreciate the contribution of the Glock in the modern pistol today. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.